foam in the microwave. We're just gonna see what
Just lean
happens.
it against the back. Who cares? Okay, watch out.
Here, let's just stand it up. There's no turntable in there
No,
anyway.
just stick it in the back. No, very back. Or on the side. There you go.
Put it against the
Watch
magnetron.
Watch out.
This is the foam in the microwave. And you can do the honors of setting the time. And you're 2 minutes? Or is that?
Oh,
It's the the quick start.
I don't think it likes that.
I think it's that cord.
I think it is too.
Is that hot?
No.
Thank God.
I might want to go check.
Alright, it doesn't seem to be doing much at this moment.
Is it shrinking?
Not yet. Okay, I can hear it. Hear that?
No, it's outside.
No. Oh God, look how dim that light is. Oh wait, it's smoking. I see smoke. Oh, or that might be the remnants of the cell phone.
I can hear it clicking.
Oh shit. It does not like that.
Oh!
What the heck is that?
That microwave's gonna explode.
Oh shit.
I don't like that. Well, foam doesn't work very well. Don't touch it. It'll melt to your hand.
The door was like stuck there. Oh my God! Smell it! Smell it!
Yep, look.
What? Holy shit! What? It's the remnants of the plastic. Is that melt?
It's melting.
Shit. Well, it didn't really do that much to this foam to make it smell bad.
It actually didn't do hardly anything.
So flexible. Next.